Good morning, y'all beautiful faces. It's your boy Gage. Horne, I know I'm super close to the camera right now and we got a little bit different background because today it's a different kind of video. Today I'm gonna make a video about 10 sounds that drive dogs crazy. And I don't mean just crazy like it's gonna make him mad, but maybe happy and some other sounds that I've never really tried with a dog. Here he is trying to play. This dog is in his good mood zone, so I just thought I would take advantage of that and make him super happy and see how I'd react to these other sounds that I got all listed up. He's ready to play. I should introduce you, huh? Okay. This is a cute little buddy. He's a small little cutie. And yes, we named him Buddy. I don't know why we didn't nickname him that, but he's gonna be our little experiment today. Just to mention before we get this all started, all the sounds that I'm using are in the description below. You can check out all the links below. Without further ado, let's get right to it. We got him right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and play the first one. See how he reacts. What is it? What is it? He's mad. He's getting mad. He's getting mad. He's getting mad. Why are you mad, buddy? What's wrong? He's getting mad. He's trying to bite me. First one, pretty good. On to the second sound. This next sound that we're going to do is a high-pitched sound. All right, stay. He hears it. He's acting weird. That hurts my ears. Sound 2? Yeah, it was alright. Let's go on to sound 3. Now sound 3 is gonna be a balloon. I don't know if you guys saw my last couple videos, but I have a video of my dog filling up a room of 300 balloons and my dog comes in and just destroys them. During that video, he definitely learned the sound of a balloon. He learned and knows the sound of balloons. And so I'm curious to see how he reacts because he loves balloons now. Ever since I've done that video, he just loves balloons. And so I'm gonna see if I can use that same sound and see how he'll react when he starts to hear it. Let's try it. He's got his paws out and everything. Okay, that was a fake balloon. Let's try it one more time with a real one. You should see the look on his face, watch. He starts fighting it. he just ran off with the balloon. Sound 4, here we go. Alright guys, now this one is going to be a little different one. So for this one, fell. For this one, sound 4 is going to be people whispering. Let's see if you can pick this up. Well, that was lame. Let's try it again. He's looking at it. He's wondering where the whispering's coming from. Alright guys, for this next one, I'm going to have my puppy listen to cat sounds. Now, there's going to be a little trick with this one. I'm actually going to set it up to where I'm going to put my hand in a socket, move my hand to make him think that I'm holding something else, like a cat, and at the same time play the cat sound and see how he reacts. okay. It's okay. It's okay. That was pretty good. I'll put the sock back on my foot. Ow. Buddy, ow. Look at the camera. Hey guys. You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi? Hey guys, I'm about to do sound 6. Doorbell. Let's do it. Who's that? Something here? That one didn't work at all. Let's try knock knock. And this time I'm gonna, ooh, break my laptop. We're gonna do a knock knock sound in replacement for the doorbell because that was terrible. You ready? What is that? Someone here? That one got him. That one got him pretty good. One more time, but realistic one. What is it? Alright guys, for this next one, I got my dog to go upstairs. We're gonna pour some food and see if he hears it. Buddy, talk about being fast. It fell. Uh-oh, the table's upturned. Oh look, I got it like I can use my... You were so fast, I thought you went that way. Did he just run upstairs? Buddy! We're shooting a video! I'll give you a higher pay salary! Fine! Now for this next one, my friends, I'm gonna put my laptop on the staircase. I'm gonna put footsteps. Normally, when he hears footsteps, his ears go straight up and he listens. And so I'm hoping for the same reaction, but we're gonna have to test it out. So, let's give it a shot. Okay. You know something's up, huh? Alright guys, this is the very last one I got for you guys, but I saved it for last because this is by far the best one. Squeaky toy. This one I'm going to put in a little secret location and I'm going to record his reaction when he hears a squeaky toy. We all know dogs love squeaky toys, and I know this dog loves squeaky toys way more than anything. As soon as you hear it, he comes running. So I'm going to try to get my grandma to keep him upstairs for a minute, and then I'm going to play it and see how fast he comes running downstairs, and we'll record his reaction trying to find it, and when he finds it, see what he does. Because I've never done an electronic squeaky toy before, so let's see if we can find one and see how well this works out. Here we go. Here we go, guys. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong, huh? Okay. Oh, buddy, I feel bad. Buddy, did you have fun? Nod your head yes. This has been your favorites, Gage and Buddy, and your 9 little fun little sounds for dogs for them to experiment. I think you enjoyed it, didn't you, bud? Huh. He's a good little doggy. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to drop a like and comment on this video. If you guys like it so much, give it a share. Show people how dogs are when you give them these 9 sounds. If you guys want to try these with your dogs, be sure to click the links in the description below. They're awesome. They're funny. Obviously, this dog, he's a 1 in a million. I love this pupper. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.